Hi, thank you for joining us here at BMG. BMG is committed to a professional and safe work environment. Please watch the following video carefully for your own protection and for the safety of those around you. The video you are about to see integrates both our safety procedures and our basic training package. On every new job site, we start with a safety meeting. Project-specific safety and procedural details are covered and explained by the supervisor. All employees at BMG are required to wear the proper PPE, that's personal protective equipment. CSA-certified footwear must be worn at all times. High-visibility vests must be worn at all times when you're on the job site. Maintenance personnel must also wear proper eye and ear protection when working in the shop. Always ask someone to help you when lifting heavy objects. Due to some of our clients' contract requirements, no images are allowed on any BMG job sites. When hooking up equipment, never stand between a tractor and the piece of equipment being hooked up. Failing to heed this warning could cause serious injury or death. Transportation. All equipment must be properly tied down for transportation. Pumps sit back to back with two straps tying them down. Always travel together in a caravan when going to a different job site. Do not drive on the shoulder with the real carts. Stay in your lane if possible. When driving equipment on a road, always follow regulations illustrated in the Manitoba Large Equipment Guidelines Handbook. All drivers must be familiar with these regulations. Never go into a lagoon unless necessary. If lagoon entrance is required, you must be attached to a safety rope and a second person must be standing by. Working beside the road. When you're setting up hose along a road or in the ditch, always watch out for traffic. Traffic might not slow down for you, so be aware of your surroundings at all times. Always use proper markings, cones, for the designated zone. It's important to always use 2 layers of hose when going through culverts to prevent the hose from getting cut on the sharp edges. Pump startup. For starting up the pump, there should always be one person that follows the hose as it fills up, checking for kinks in the line, leaks, or other potential safety concerns. Never stand, walk, or sit close to a hose coupler when the line is under pressure. Always stay a minimum of 30 meters away from a coupler when line is under pressure. When sending a pig through the line for cleaning, follow the pig along the line up to 100 meters from the end. Never come closer than 100 meters to the end of the hose when sending a pig through the line for cleaning. Manure application. Your field is cut into rectangular sections. The hose is laid out from the pumps, entering the field section at one corner of the section and crossing over in a diagonal line to the other corner. That's where the tractor waits until the manure arrives after starting the pumps. Drive the applicator diagonally to the other corner and keep going back and forth into the corner until that half of the section is complete. When reaching the corner of that section, the tractor must be driven across the finished section to the other corner of the section. The tractor must drive about 75% across to the other side and then turn to the original starting corner to straighten out the hose, and then repeat the same procedure of going back and forth to finish the second half of that section. Biosecurity. Never drive equipment in front of barns or in a red zone, also known as high traffic area. Stay off of yards at all times if possible. When yard access is required to access a field, always contact your supervisor to get the exact details and permissions. When going to a new barn site, a Stage 1 cleaning is required. When going to a new company site, a Stage 2 cleaning and disinfecting is required. Spills. In the very unfortunate and unlikely event of a spill, do the following in this order. Stop the leak. Shut off the pump. BMG is pleased to have the capability to shut off the pump from any location within 4 seconds of notification. Contain the spill immediately with dirt or sandbags. Call your supervisor. If you have any questions about any part of this video or of any other safety or training related concern, do not hesitate to talk to your supervisor about it. Thank you again for joining us at BMG, and together we will maintain a safe, healthy, and positive work environment.